it's Anissa. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a little 5-minute refresh you can do for your hair. Say you're running late somewhere and your hair is looking crazy like mine was looking. I just did this in 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. And also, as you guys know, I've been drinking TEAMI tea. This is their Detox Tea. I've been feeling way more energized since I've been drinking this, so this also helped. As you guys are going to see in the video, I had a lot of energy and it was so easy for me to just do this real quick. Go ahead and use my code DOESIT25 to get 25% off your order. I'll have the link and code down below. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see how I refresh my curls in just 5 minutes. This is what we're starting with. You can see. It's not too bad. Like, we can come back from this. It's okay. Don't worry. We're gonna come back. You don't have to wash your hair. It's gonna be okay. So I have a couple of things right here that I like to use to help refresh my hair. I have a spray bottle to get my hair wet, some conditioner, and today I'm gonna be using the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Conditioner for dry and damaged hair. So this conditioner is really good. And I like to use a conditioner because since it's only refreshing your curls, you're probably gonna be washing it in like a day or two. So I like to use conditioner because it's not that strong of a hold, but it still moisturizes your hair and makes it look good. I also have an oil. I have the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Healing Dry Oil. So this would make your hair look shiny and healthy again, since like it's old, it's probably a little frizzy like mine is, looking a little dry and like it's about to break any minute. So yeah, you're gonna need this too. Any type of oil, you can use coconut oil, whatever. I just like this oil because it's really lightweight. You can just spray it in your hair and it makes the process way easier. I also have my Eco Styler because I'm gonna be doing my baby hairs after, just to complete the look and just make it look better. What I like to do is just find the pieces of hair that just look the most fucked up. So like the pieces in the front, I always for sure do because that's what people pay attention to because your face is right there. And I'm looking over here because my mirror is to the side. So yeah, I'm gonna for sure do the front pieces, and then the top of my hair is pretty frizzy. So I'm gonna focus on the top, and then like this, these pieces that are just like stringy, no type of curl. This is what we're focusing on today. I'm gonna get my spray bottle, and I know I need a new spray bottle. It's coming soon. I just ordered one on Amazon, sort of like the misting ones, and spray the hair. And just make sure it's really wet. It says your hair's pretty old, it is going to be tangled, so just make sure you're being gentle when you're detangling it. They don't cause any breakage. So I got the pieces I want to focus on wet. As you can see, like they're just flat. And then now I'm gonna like check the back of my hair. So I always like just to get a mirror and just look at the back. I want to just focus on the pieces that you can actually see. So the top pieces that are on the outside. So I have this piece for sure. This piece. Yeah, so these pieces on the top for sure need to get sprayed. All right, conditioner, and just gonna get some. Oh my gosh, almost out, guys. Let me get my conditioner. Get a little bit in my hand. And I know that I didn't get all of my hair wet, but the conditioner is like really like moist. So even if I get the conditioner on the hair, it's still gonna help the curls look good. So I'm gonna finger comb into the hair that I got wet first. So this front pieces. And then I'm just gonna see like piece is a little frizzy, so I'm just gonna put some conditioner in there. And just automatically just makes it look way healthier. The camera looks a little different because I had a little technical difficulty. But okay, so I'm gonna get more conditioner. And yeah, like I'm just gonna put it on the curls around the hair as well, even though it's dry. All right, now I'm just gonna scrunch my hair up. Yeah, if you see any more frizzy pieces, just get more conditioner, man. I'm telling you, conditioner can really do a lot to your hair. Like, it can really save your hair. Look at them busted like mine was at the beginning of the video. Okay, and now I'm gonna deal with the little frizzies on top. So I'm just gonna get my spray bottle again, get it a little wet, and just smooth them down. Continue to scrunch the pieces that you actually got wet so they'll dry faster and so the curl will look better. It's time for the spray, for the magic spray. So this is the spray I was talking about. I really like it. And it automatically just makes your hair so shiny. I really just love the way it smells. It's not too like strong of a smell either. It's just like, it's like perfect. Oh, oh. Okay. Alright, so it's looking way better now than it did at the beginning. Now I'm going to do my baby hairs. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's not completely dry, but like throughout the day or throughout the event you're going to, or even in the car, your hair's gonna get more dry and you can just keep scrunching it to make it dry faster. So this is just a quick little re-up you can do for your hair. Say you made plans last minute and your hair's looking a little busted. This is something you can just do real quick before you leave. Even if you're running late, it's like really easy. And it can make a big difference to your hair. Like that just took me literally 5 minutes to do. My hair was way better. So yeah, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below any other videos you'd like to see from me. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.